Number 3. Blink Video Doorbell. Affordable and efficient, the Blink Video Doorbell stands out as an excellent value in home security. Its design feels premium despite being budget-friendly, making it a great addition to your home. Powered by 2 lithium AA batteries, this doorbell boasts impressive longevity, lasting up to 2 years. If you already have a wired doorbell, installation is a breeze. Simply reuse existing wires for seamless integration while keeping your traditional chime. Receive instant alerts on your smartphone or Alexa device when motion is detected, ensuring you never miss a visitor. Customize notification settings so you're informed even when someone just walks by. While some might expect a low-cost device to skimp on details, the Blink delivers a respectable field of view with a fisheye lens. It's not the sharpest at night, but visibility remains satisfactory. Adding a sync module too expands your setup, allowing footage recording on a USB drive for added peace of mind. One aspect to note is that video quality, particularly in dim lighting, could be enhanced. Nonetheless, this minor shortcoming does not detract from its overall utility. With multiple subscription options available, you can choose whether to pay for extra features only if you want them. What truly sets the Blink Video Doorbell apart is its stellar value and ease of use.